So this morning, I truly want us to have a conversation around the hater concept. Sometimes it happens that people just hate on you. They just hate on you. You know, we Xhosa people sinetem esithandayo ethi alimpiwanga. Wakwenzani? Alimpiwanga nje, like nje. Akukho ngaphiwanga nto apha because akuphiswana to start with, okay? Number two, sometimes I want you to get this right and be very clear with this. Sometimes people will hate on you because everything about you, everything that you are, is a reflection of their dream. A dream they never had the courage to pursue. So yonke lento yiyo wena, everything that you are and everything that you are about, it resonates with them. But not only that, it triggers something in them. It reminds them of what they never had the courage to pursue. So know this about you, that sometimes people will hate on you, not because you've done anything wrong to them, but they will hate on you and they will hate you and they will dedicate their entire mission into opposing you because you are everything they never had the courage to be. Everything you are. Everything you stand for, everything you pursue, your purpose, everything, your work and your mission and your assignment is a reflection, it's a reminder to them. When they see you, they're reminded of what they wanted to be. They truly wished to be, but never had the courage to pursue. So know this, remember this. Kusenguwe, wenza into wrongo, ngabo, uyabakhumbuza lento abangazange bayo.